Alright guys, and all of my cars have names. This one is Priscilla. This is a 1970 Mach 1 Mustang. It does have aftermarket wheels. It is currently running. Just bought the car out of Ohio a little bit ago, so this is going to be the first one you see on the channel with the restoration. I've started a few things on it. The gentleman I purchased it from had already put new floors, replaced the rims, tires, did front brakes, rear window louver, that type of stuff. The only thing I've really done is started playing with the turn signals and lights, getting those working. And I was going to just get this car basically drivable while I was restoring the Barracuda, but this one's going to be the first one to get restored. So I've ordered a rotisserie that'll be here next week. You can see the interior. He had put new carpet in. It does have the Hurst 4-speed. And this is a 351 Cleveland car, so it does have the 4-valve. See, we got some damage on the seat. I've actually taken the rear seats out already. This quarter glass over here was broken, so I've already ordered both new quarter glasses, all new rubber weather strips. There's a bunch of parts in the back there. But we're going to disassemble this entire car, get it down to bare metal. I know there are some rust spots, like here. We do also have some body filler in the quarter panels and things like that. But all in all, seems to be a pretty solid car. Somebody's done a little metal work up inside the wheel well. I don't know if you can see that with the light that we have out here right now. But this will be the first one on the channel to get completely disassembled and be restored. So just wanted to give you a quick overview and introduction of the first one. See under the hood, it does have a new alternator. He had done the fuel system already. So do have some rust in the hood, all of that. So yeah guys, that's the first one to get a full restoration.